What's up guys, Kobe from Model Pranksters. Today I'm here with Hi-Rez. We're in New York City. We're going to show you how to order McDonald's like a boss. Hope you guys enjoyed the video.
You going?
You're next.
No, you got it.
No.
Can I get 2 Big Macs?
Okay.
2 apple pies? No, actually. Let me get 2 Big Macs and 2 apple pies. A little bit of Sprite in the side of fries. Let me get a McDouble, let me get a McChicken. Hot sauce, make sure that shit kicking. I want a McRib before I McPiss. Let me get a hash brown if it isn't lunch yet. If it is, I'ma be mixed and upset. Let me get some nuggets too. I want a bun cake and a parfait. 2 of them, I really had a hard day. Let me get a McCafe latte and a couple hundred large Shamrock shakes. Powerade, high C, ranch snack wrap on the side, please. Let me get a burger with a slice of cheese, but no onions or pickles, so hold that, please. I want a McFlurry, 2 of those, 1 M&M, 1 Oreos. I want everything on the dollar menu and a burger with jalapenos. Let me get a snack wrap for my backpack, better not tax that dust sauce, no after. Taking everything to go, so pack that in the black bag. Hi-Rez eating all the flapjacks. Did you get all that?
Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Make sure you subscribe to Hi-Rez. The link will be at the end of this video and at the top of the description. You don't want to miss him.